Hi, everyone. I'm here today with Austin Hardware and Supply President Bill Stanball. We're going to talk to you a little bit about an Austin Hardware designed concealed hinge. Bill, can you talk to us about some of the advantages of using a concealed hinge?
Our concealed hinge, the primary advantage of it is aesthetics. Concealed is just that. You don't see the hinge. So clean lines for graphics, no obstructions. The other thing to really keep in mind is it becomes much more tamper resistant. Any threat actor would not be able to actually see where the hinge was, so they don't know where to try to break into the door. Another real benefit is reduced corrosion. Because the hinge is behind the seal of the compartment, it's not exposed to UV, it's not exposed to all the toxic chemicals in the environment and on the roads, and therefore it's going to have a much longer life, probably at a lower cost. So reduced corrosion. The appearance is also great. Very clean lines, very modern.
Super. Bill, can you tell us why did we choose a pocket design, and are there other options?
Well, the pocket design was really driven by a requirement of the customer. The particular customer we designed this hinge for wanted full door rotation, so beyond 120, 130 degrees. So we took the pocket design, which allowed us to recess the mounting points into both the door and the door frame, which allowed this door to almost rotate a full 180 degrees. So that's very beneficial to most customers, certainly the customer we designed the product for. A design alternative would be a surface mount 4-bar linkage style concealed hinge, which would mount on the surface, but it's going to only rotate maybe 120 or 130 degrees. So two different approaches to solve a problem. It's really customer specific.
Interesting. Bill, when we talk about strength, how strong do you think our hinge, this concealed hinge, is?
You know, it's exceptionally strong. When you look at this product and you see the extruded linkage bars that go from the pocket in the door to the pocket in the door frame, it's really very, very robust. We did some testing, and it's amazingly strong, greater than 500 pounds per hinge, and that's with a 4 times safety factor. We also did some AMD, GSA, and KKK testing, which had a requirement of 2,500 pounds in 3 different accesses from a pulling capacity standpoint, and we passed all tests with 0 deformation. So very, very strong. It also cycles very well. This particular hinge passed 194,000 cycle tests, openings and closings. So really, really very robust part.
Bill, talk to us about other markets where you would see this hinge, or other applications where you can see this concealed hinge.
Well, it can be used both on a personnel access door as well as a compartment door. So you have the flexibility of really where you would use it. But think heavy duty commercial applications. Could be military vehicles, could be fire apparatus and emergency response, off-road, ag, armored trucks, maybe even refuge. But really, in this size and configuration, heavy duty because of its strength, you got to be thinking big, heavy doors. We could scale the hinge. So we could scale the hinge down and miniaturize the hinge. So it could be then used in a wide variety of even normal access doors. So very flexible design, given our ability to scale it.
Please check out our newly designed concealed hinge, as well as many other innovative products and solutions, on our website at www.austinhardware.com. Bill, thank you very much.
Thanks, Jay.